The following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the Internet's World Championship.
Things are about to get good.
Ladies and gentlemen, as a reminder, the championship is on the line here tonight.
And in looking at the opposition, I can say that the champion will have quite the hill to climb in this one.
해가 뜨면 오늘의 나쁜 짓을 골라 기대해라 허접들 커다란 해머 들고 길을 나선 오늘의 인보 저만 있게 멋진 걸 버릇없는 건 행복하고픈 대로 가내 모토 페이키부터 낙서 때리고 튀어 마음이 가는 대로 참지 않고 사는 게 이모 정말 지나치게
He is physically prepared. He is mentally prepared. This man is ready for this title opportunity.
행복의 비결을 봐 수많은 밤 남의 차에서 와그자 술을 밝힌 더 덮은 나를 나 싫어 우중충한 세상에는 색을 발라 낯설든 맘대로 다 뭐냐 그럼 어쩔 건데 누가 원해도 내 식대로 딴 건 할 바 아냐
Are you guys ready?
Here we go, guys. The championship is on the line here in this one.
And I'll tell you, Cole, the champion has never looked more dominant than right here, right now.
Champion, but he is determined to prove his doubters wrong.
Introducing the challenger from South Korea, weighing in at 205 pounds, Deathhammer. And his opponent from Stillwater, weighing in at 155 pounds, the Internet's World Champion, the Princess.
You can feel the tension here tonight. Definitely a big fight feel.
The champion came out here somewhat gloating their belt around. Don't know if that's their way of playing mind games.
That title should give anyone the right to gloat. Look, what good is it being on top of the mountain if you don't get to look down on everybody else?
That is a sad attitude to have.
Oh! He quickly gets out of dodge. Ah, what an arm drag.
Oh, kick right to the side of the face. What's he planning to do here? Roll him on his belly, single leg crab. One leg locked in. Gotta find a way out of the single leg Boston crab. Oh, wow, look at this incredible effort to get out. He's hurled out and crashes down to the floor. Lift off through the air and connects.
Completely throwing self-preservation out the window. I don't know how your mind would even think about doing that. And a series of vicious stomps. Taking all their frustrations out on the champion and doing so in the most inelegant way possible.
And he gets delivered back into the ring.
Kick to the gut.
Cracked around into a neck breaker. And into the pin. Title on the line. Oh! Big kick out.
The end was in sight.
He pulls off the reversal. Quick thinking that time. Everything he can do to create space here. Punch! Oh, what a knee lift.
Somebody better check his nose.
Boom! To the back of the neck.
Down opponent, and a double axe handle smash.
He is staying aggressive now.
Putting together some major moves here. And a carefully measured knee drop.
He's going up. Watch out! Frog splash! Attempting high-risk move after high-risk move at a breakneck pace. Kicks out. How? How? Oh, elbow right to the breadbasket for their troubles.
Really just laying it in.
The challenger really taking it on the chin here. Drop toe hold.
Face first.
Oh, he had that scouted.
Being set up in the corner for something.
Nasty shot in the corner with more in mind. Looking to end their opponent in headline-grabbing fashion all the way from the top. Avalanche pedigree. Can the champ recover from that? Following it up with the cover.
Two. No, they kicked out. The champion kicked out.
That was a matter of a fraction of a second.
And I think to get the pinfall, you have to try that maneuver one more time.
Blackjack. The death lock is in. Uh-oh, this is not going to end well. Are we gonna see a tap?
Draped across the top rope.
Clubbing forearm. Ooh, one step ahead there.
These superstars have done their homework. Across the top rope with a neck breaker.
He's pumped up, and so is this crowd.
Oh, he timed that counter well.
Both superstars countering one move after another.
The face has been planted.
From the top rope.
Oh, my God, what a move.
Oof. This is just nasty.
Oh, look at this aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy.
Oh, knee drop.
Woo! Oh, boy, I think we know what he has in store next.
Climbing up to the top, looking to go high risk.
Up high.
Turns that away.
Ooh, walloped by a huge club.
Pin attempt by the champion. Kick out and the title fight continues.
So close. That could have been it.
Put into place. Good God. Didn't need to counter into anything pretty, just a clubbing blow.
Got a hold of the arm, just wrenching. Oh, man.
Arm right.
The champ with the pin.
And the champ can't keep the shoulders down.
We are this far into the match. Where is this energy coming from?
Turned it around. with a reversal. Boom! Good defense from him. Making his way to the top here. Here we go.
Seated senton finds the mark.
This might be it. The champ.
Going for the cover. A kick out.
I don't believe it. How did the challenger survive that?
By the skin of their teeth. And don't expect the champ to start going easy on him now.
I can't tell if it's anger in the eyes or the fact that he hasn't finished this, or if it's disbelief that his opponent is still in this.
We continue to see incredible perseverance from these competitors.
The war continues to rage on with no superstar willing to give an inch.
Oh, oof.
A little rope assistance, punishing their opponent.
Oh, man, inverted backbreaker. Ow. Does the official not see him removing the turnbuckle pad?
Keep your voice down.
Oh, right into a counter. I can hardly hear myself think. We have a pin for the title. Fights out at 2. Thought he had it.
You gotta be kidding me. Insult to it.
The champ with the cover. No, he gets the shoulder up.
You got to question, how much is it worth? How much is it worth to continue through the agony?
It's obviously worth everything. I think the crowd knows what we're about to see.
Shining Wizard. That's right, Corey. That was a Shining Wizard. Makes the cover. Shoulder up right away.
Not a whole lot of luster behind that kick out.
And you got to think that all the plans are out the window after that.
Big blow could be felt throughout the arena.
And that was certainly a targeted attack to the core. Drop toe hold.
Face first.
And his constant attack has him floundering.
He's been ineffective at slowing down his opponent.
Caught in a bad spot.
Have you ever seen a human being tossed like that?
Uh-oh, gonna try to break the leg. Oh, my God. Oh, look at a torture their opponent. Oh, this isn't gonna be good. Oh, man. He answers right back.
Something bad is coming his way, and he has no clue.
Kick to the gut. Oh, sit out jawbreaker.
Eating through a straw for a week.
Taking the action to the outside.
Might be taking a breather here.
He is determined to fight out of this predicament.
The roundhouse kick.
Guys, look at the eyes. This could be a precursor to an end.
Crossbody.
Another ascent.
Once more. Second.
Champ close to ending it here.
Looking for the pin. Retains the title. Here is your winner, and still Internet World Champion, the Princess Lil. He wasn't giving up that title. No way.
A pretty impressive defense. Challengers might think twice before coming at him now.